Okay, so our hot water heater went out in the house, and it's going to be a couple weeks before we can get it repaired. So I purchased this Gasland portable propane water heater so we can take showers in the meantime. So I was going to do a review of that. I'll go over all these switches on the front. But basically, hooks up to the propane tank. Got your hose hookups. And this goes to the shower head itself. Underneath, 2D batteries go in here, and that's what causes the spark. Obviously the hose fitting, your gas, and this is the nozzle. There's a valve right here for cold weather. You can open that up to drain the water out in case you have freezing temperatures. So we're going to start by turning on the gas. And I've already got the water turned on. So you simply turn this on. And this causes this to turn on. You can see it's starting to heat up the water. Alright, I'll go over some of these switches now. Now this setting here is if you're having a little bit of colder weather. I believe there's 2 burners in here. So you can turn it to have both burners come on for colder temperatures, or you can have one burner come on if it's a little bit warmer. You can see I've got 2 burners on right now. It's about 120 degrees. This switch right here, this turns the flame up higher or lower. So if I need to turn it hotter, I just simply turn this. If I turn it a little bit, see the water temperature's creeping up. This valve here, this allows for the amount of water you want coming out. If I turn it this way, it's going to allow more water, which you can see through the shower head. That's on the lower setting. I'm just going to turn this all the way up. So we're already at 129, 130-ish degrees, which is way hotter than what I would take a shower in. But now if I turn it down to 1 burner, it should start to come down a little bit. Back to the dual burner. So it's creeping up again. So if I turn higher water on, temperature's going to go down because letting a lot more water out at this time. It looks just fine, honestly, with the lower setting. So you can't adjust it. I'm going to turn it down all the way just to see. So you actually have quite a wide range of temperatures that you're going to be able to use. Now to turn this off, all I have to do is go up here, push this button. It's going to turn the water off. It automatically turns the unit off. Of course, you'd want to turn off the gas valve. So the unit's basically off right now. Turn it back on. We're back on again. So what I'll do is I'm going to put a tarp, I guess for privacy, around this gazebo. So now we'll have hot water until we get our water tank in the house fixed. So this is what the setup looks like. All the tarps. And we'll be using this for a little bit until we get the water heater in the house fixed. Thanks for watching.